Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials so you can act immediately. Ensure your AWS CLI and Terraform are installed and authenticated with an IAM user that has EC2, ELB, and VPC permissions. Create provider. TF to declare the AWS provider and backend for remote state and variables. TF for region and environment inputs. Next, add Terraform resources for a VPC, public subnets across AZs, and security groups permitting HTTP/HTTPS. Once done, you'll have the infrastructure foundation required for the load balancer resource. Now you implement the load balancer itself. In your main Terraform file, add an Oz LB resource and choose internet-facing versus internal depending on access needs. Attach the public subnet ID and the security group you created. Then, define Oz LB target group resources with health check blocks tuned for path and interval so unhealthy instances are removed quickly. After that, add Oz LB listener S to forward traffic from port 80 or 443 to the target group, and reference an ACM certificate for TLS if you need HTTPS. Make sure protocol. To finish, attach your instances to the target group either with Oz LB target group attachment or by launching an auto-scaling group that registers targets automatically. Then run Terraform init, Terraform plan to inspect changes, and Terraform apply to create resources. Supply variable values securely. Once deployed, validate DNS or the ALB DNS name. If things go wrong, check security group rules and subnet routing first. Then verify health check path and port. Enable ALB access logs for detailed failures. Make adjustments and reapply until targets are healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.